Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn else if ladder selection statement, which is part of control statement with the help of simple program of finding largest number among two random numbers. So else if ladder is nothing but nested if else statement. So first of all, I have already created this Java project named as Java programs, and within this source folder I have created this com.basic Java programs package. So for detailed information about how to create this project and packages, you can watch my previous video. Link is shared in description box. Now right click on this for creating Java class, and after this go to new and create class. Now you can give any name. I'm giving name as compare, as we are comparing two numbers. Don't save it with .java extension. And now click here as we are inserting this main method in our program and say finish. Now you can see this package inserted implicitly. This is our public class and this is main method, which is public static void main. Now from here we can start our coding within main method. Now first of all we need to initialize variables. For that I am taking int. As we are accepting two numbers from user, I am taking number 1 and number 2. These are variable names. You can give any names. So this integer is return type of our variable. As we are accepting integer type of number from user, you can give it as double as well, so that it can accept decimal points as well. Now for taking input we have to insert scanner class in our program. For that type scanner and control space. Now you can see this java.util.scanner package inserted here. Now we have to create object of scanner. You can give any name. I am giving name it as obj equals to new, as we are creating new object, and scanner. Within this for input we are taking system.in. Now after this semicolon. So this semicolon here indicates that this sentence is ended over here. Now we are asking user to enter first number. For that I am taking syso control space, which is system.out.println. Now here we are asking user to enter first number. Now we are storing that number in our temporary variable. So in number 1 equals to object of scanner class dot next int. As we are accepting integer type of number, so it is next int. And for second number we are following same procedure, that is syso control space. Within this system.out.println we are asking user to enter second number. And we are storing this number in number 2. So number 2 is equals to object dot next int. This I must be capital, as Java is case sensitive. So now we are accepting two number from user and storing it in number 1 and number 2. Now we have to compare them. So that I am using if and condition 1, which is number 1 is greater than number 2. Then it should have to print that within system.out.println first number is greater. Else it will check for next condition. If number 2 is greater than number 1, then it will print system.out.println second number is greater. Then else it will go to else part and print last statement. This is our last statement, that is if neither first nor second is greater, that means both are equal. We can take number of if else loop as per our requirements. So this is the syntax of else if ladder, that is if first condition, then statement 1, else if second condition, statement 2, else last statement. So look what happened here. We are accepting two input from user and storing it in our variables, that is number 1 and number 2. Now still we don't know what those numbers are and we have to compare them. So for that we are comparing here those numbers using this variable names. and if this first condition is true, then it will print first statement, else it will go for the second condition and check for second condition. If it is true, it will print this second statement, else it will go to the last statement, else part, and print this statement. So let us check our program now. For that, before go to run, we have to save our program. For that, press Ctrl S. Now go here and run program. So as our program is error free, we can see output over here. So we have to enter first number. I am entering 45 as first number, and I will enter 9 as second number. Now it has to show us that first number is greater. Enter. Look, first number is greater. Now I will run it again, and now I will enter 9 as first number and 45 as second. So it has to show us second number is greater. So enter. Look, second number is greater. Now let us check for the same numbers. Now I will enter 9 as first as well as 9 as second. So look, both are equal. This means our program is correct, and that's how else if ladder works. And for better understanding of basic concepts of Java, that is what is public class, main method, scanner class, system.out.println, how to declare variables, and how to use Eclipse, you can watch my previous video. Link is shared in description box. And that's all about today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.